Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. As you all know, henceforth the judiciary is going to be virtual judiciary. It means that all the cases are going to be filed online, all the court hearings, in fact majority of the court hearings are going to be online through video conferencing due to this COVID pandemic effect. So accordingly friends, as you all know that e-filing has already started. So let's get a brief idea as how to do the e-filing. So accordingly friends, open the Google website and that you type e-filing. After that, after entering e-filing e-codes, you'll get the first option. Choose check the URL. It's efiling.ecodes.gov.in. So kindly click upon this URL and not any other URL. After clicking upon the URL, a new window will open. We need to look at the left side. There is a drop down, so you can select your state from the drop down, or else you can go to the map and put the cursor on your state and click it. So accordingly I am staying in Maharashtra, so I am clicking Maharashtra. So after clicking, the new window will open. So if you have the username and password, you can enter the details and log in yourself. If you don't have the username and password, in that scenario there is an option for new users to register. So click upon the register tab. After clicking the register tab, the new window will open. The kindly note the sessions will expire in 18 minutes, so we need to put all the details on priority and fast. Also keep your photo ID proof ready to be uploaded in the next scene. So friends, you need to enter your mobile number and email ID. Kindly note, this is a very important step. When the mobile number and the email ID should be registered with the court software. Now, if your mobile number and email ID are not registered with the court software, in that scenario, you will not be able to go to next step. So for that purpose, you need to contact your bar council members or the bar council chairman, or you can contact the court directly, court department, and they will help you out, get your mobile number and email ID updated in the court CIS system. So I'm putting my mobile number and email ID. Let's check what happens. Now you need to enter your bar council registration number, and accordingly just note it down that you have to enter the number in this format, mh-645 or mh/645. So you can use either dash or slash and not any other special character. Then you can choose your username whichever you want. Then select and choose court where your mobile and email ID are registered with court software. So I'll select Maharashtra, I'll select Mumbai, and I have registered my mobile number and email ID with City Civil Court Mumbai. So I'm selecting City Civil Court Mumbai. I'll enter the captcha and then I'll get OTP. So if your mobile numbers are and email ID is registered with the court system, you will not get this error message. Now presently I am getting this error message that advocate entry is not present in selected High Court / establishment software advocate table with given details. So it means that either this entry is not available in the court software or yet it is not updated. So in either scenario, you need to contact the concerned court department or the bar council authorities to get your mobile number and email ID registered. Once you get your mobile number and email ID registered with the court department, after that you will be able to do e-filing of the cases. Now we would be creating a second video. Accordingly, we would be covering all the details as to how to do the e-filing and what is the next procedure.
Kindly share your views in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also like and share the video with other advocate friends and colleagues. Thank you.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.